Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Passport. This tutorial will cover how to access travel and tourism data in Passport, specifically city travel briefings, statistics, and data ranking tools. Let's get started. Visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. Passport is on this list. Passport is an online business information system providing business intelligence on countries, consumers, and industries. It offers integrated access to statistics, market reports, company profiles, and information sources. This is the Passport homepage. To find data on travel and tourism, hover over Industries at the top of the page and select Travel. This will take you to the Travel homepage. Similar to the general homepage, you'll find featured content near the top of the page and quick links to search statistics, briefings, country reports, and more. Let's take a look at briefings under Analysis. From this page, you can view all briefings or use the options on the left to sort or filter the briefings. You can filter by category, geography, and date. Let's look for city travel briefings. Once you've selected a briefing, you'll have access to a table of contents that will allow you to jump to various parts of the report. City travel briefings can be especially useful because they contain information on business dynamics, lodging, SWOT analysis, and city destination rankings. To access this information as a PDF, click on View Full Screen as PDF and enter your name and Purdue email address. You can also print or download the report by using the buttons above the table of contents. Let's return to the travel homepage and search statistics by category. For this example, let's search for statistics on travel modes. From this page, we can break down travel modes further and select only airlines, only car rental, only other, or a combination of the three. Let's select only airlines. For more information on what this category includes, click on the information icon. To avoid duplication, we'll remove travel modes from the search. Next, we need to select the geographies we're interested in. Let's expand Western Europe and select Austria, Belgium, France, Germany, and Switzerland. Then click Search to run the search. Results are broken down by statistics and analysis with options to refine your search on the left. You can also choose to modify your search by clicking Modify Search in the upper right corner. Under the Analysis tab, we'll find country reports on airlines for the countries we chose. To open a report, simply click on the title. Print and download options can be found on the left, above the table of contents. Let's return to the travel homepage and take a look at the data ranking tool. First, you'll need to decide whether you want to rank by country or category. Let's select Rank Countries and choose Activities from the drop-down. Then click Go. Search results will be displayed in table form. At the top, you can convert data, change data types, or specify a date range. You'll also find download and save options in the upper right corner, as well as the option to modify your search. If you need more help using Passport, you can click on the Help button at the top of the page for access to help guides and video tutorials. Now you know how to access travel and tourism data in Passport, such as how to find city travel briefings, search statistics, and use the data ranking tool. If you have any questions, please contact us at paralib@purdue.edu. Thank you.